Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about MetaMax, a platform that claims to double your investment in just a few months. But is this too good to be true? Is MetaMax a legit opportunity? Or is it a Ponzi scheme? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and my own opinion. Now, MetaMax describes itself as a platform where users can invest money, watch ads, and earn money, supposedly doubling their investment in just 2 months. They offer different packages where you can earn more by putting in more money. Sounds promising, right? But here's a catch. MetaMax hasn't been getting great reviews, and some people are claiming it's a scam. A Reddit post raised the concern about MetaMax being a scam, with one user pointing out that many people are throwing money into it because someone they know made money. But when you dig a little deeper, the signs point to it being a Ponzi scheme, where earlier investors get paid by the money coming from new investors. Classic red flag. Another comment included a Securities and Exchange Commission warning from the Philippines, which officially labeled MetaMax as a Ponzi scheme in June 2024. The SEC warned that MetaMax operates by encouraging new users to bring in more people and essentially taking money from new members to pay older ones. This is exactly what Ponzi schemes do. If you're hearing too many glowing reviews from anonymous or fake accounts, be cautious. It's important to remember that just because some people are making money from it now doesn't mean it's sustainable. In fact, Ponzi schemes are known for collapsing once they run out of new money coming in. So, is MetaMax legit? No, it's not. Based on the SEC warning or SE warning, that Reddit post, and the way the platform operates, it seems clear that MetaMax is a Ponzi scheme designed to take advantage of new users. If you're already involved, it's time to pull out and warn others. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.